Remember when online dating was something that no one talked about? Now celebs can't even stop gushing about the virtual action they may or may not be getting. I mean, there's Katy Perry. Just 2 months after splitting from her on-again, off-again boyfriend John Mayer, she admitted to being, quote, deep on Tinder. Whatever that means.
I'm really deep on Tinder, so I don't have a whole lot of time.
What's your name on Tinder so I can follow you?
KP Loves Charlemagne.
There you go.
There's also Josh, 33, who is actually superstar singer and actor Josh Groban. Lindsay Lohan pretty much outed herself as a Tinder fan when she revealed that she'd found out her brother is on the app. Then there's Bravo host Andy Cohen, who opened up about his luck on Tinder, or should we call it lack of luck?
I had 2 matches, though. I've been doing a lot of swiping. I don't know about it.
And Lily Allen caused a bit of controversy when she tweeted, "Just discovered Tinder, waving goodbye to life." But there's a little problem. She's married. Clearly, she's having a little fun with us, we think. Subscribe here for more celeb updates. Click here to see Lindsay Lohan diss Jennifer Lawrence, and here to see Rita Ora slam Jay-Z affair accusations.